Tesla will not introduce the Cybertruck this year and is now working on a $25,000 car instead, says Musk. Sticking with Tesla for a minute here. It's a bit unfortunate. I've been excited about this Cybertruck.
You'll get it one day, buddy.
I went into my Tesla account and I was like, oh yeah, I ordered that. Like, that's how long ago it is at this point. And I didn't get them that much money, just a few $100s, but it's sitting there. The shape of the Cybertruck, like, you see that you ordered it. But so it kind of rubs it in a little bit that you are not getting it anytime soon. But I understand the difficulty making, electric cars, new car company, U.S. based. I still call them new because in the land of car companies, that's still relatively new. And then I got the Plaid, and I really like the Plaid, and I'm conflicted emotionally. Anyways, this holy grail idea of the very affordable electric car has been a thing for a while, and the Model 3 was kind of going to be that, but then a lot of people's Model 3s are not the cheapest, and once they have a few specs on them, and it's not that true entry-level price. But the Model 3 is nice. I'm not complaining about the Model 3. I'm just saying that there is another segment below that. But wait, he says we're not currently working on the $25,000 car. Right now. So no Cybertruck this year and no $25,000 car.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think the draw is, a $25,000 Tesla.
No, I know, but he's saying they're not working on it.
I know, yeah.
So unless he's covering something up, which is, I guess, possible. What does he say? At some point we will. We have enough on our plate right now. Too much on our plate, frankly. Well, they can't make cars fast enough. But there was the talk of the Chinese factory doing it. Remember?
Shanghai?
A model specific for China that was going to be more affordable and more suitable for that market and maybe possibly even designed there. That was a previous chat rumor. But anyway, a lot of this stuff is just...
rumor mill.
Well, no, it probably will happen. It's just not anytime soon.
Apparently, he tweeted out that he's currently driving around in the new Tesla Cybertruck.
That's right. I saw that tweet.
Yeah.
And enjoying the prototype, saying it's really cool.
Yeah, he has to drive it.
He's probably not the only one. There's probably a number of people that are out driving it long before it'll ship to everyone else. So, yeah, if you spot a Cybertruck in Texas...
Might be Elon or Joe Rogan.
Yeah, it's a good chance it's a Tesla employee or Elon himself.